See the Perrier film? The craziest balloon party ever? Well, guess who set it on fire? Me! Boom! Vote for me, the Prince of Pyrotechnics. Boom! The President of the Pyromaniac Party. Kaboom! Guess your mom told you not to play with matches, right? Well, mine forgot. Bless her! Boom! I'll take you to the biggest fireworks party in the world! My inventions are world famous. Try my pocket fireworks. Or how about these babies? Bright, huh? Light up your life! Boom, 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 boom! And now, for the pièce de résistance, introducing the cerebral synapse cortex rocket, fueled by my own brainwaves. Big Bertha, this one's for you. How far will I go to get your vote? To hell and back!